Hi guys, so just replacing the spark plug on this E63s. So a couple things I just want to show you guys. All right, so I just want to say this is a very hard job. It's not for average DIY or something. All right, I have some experience with this Mercedes, so yeah. So let's get to it. So first of all, this ECM has to come out and do this clip and this clip. Okay, I have the other clip right here. A mistake I make, you actually open this one first, so then you release the coolant pressure, so it doesn't spill everywhere like this. I have to clean this up later. Okay, so after that, some bracket for this bracket. This one, the metal bracket right here. Okay, so one bolt right on top, right there, another one right there, and another one right there, lower down there. So right, focus right there, right there. That's the bolt. Okay, T30 with the long ones right there. After that, you'll see a couple small ones. This one right there, right there. I release it just to release the pressure. The small T30s. Also, you have this valve. This line, it just pulls straight up, so it's gonna come apart. It's just a little rubber grommet thing. Also, there's a 10 on top right there. 10 mil. You don't have to take it out, but then all you want to do, release this, so you can pull this backwards, and then you can get to the coil right there. Okay, in the back, all this I disconnect. Okay, but the only thing you're gonna look out for is this one, this tab right there. Do you see that? This one. So if you actually put this backwards like this, the whole thing will slide up. Once you slide up, you're good. Okay, so the hardest part people struggle is this line, because you have to get to the nut in this one right there. Okay, but how you get it out? So there's actually a, you see that? There's actually a T25 that holding down to this I think vacuum pump or something. Okay, so you just want to take the T25 out. This one, don't drop it. It goes straight down into the hole right there. That nut right there. Right there. This one. Okay, so you just want to take that out and make sure the seal is still on the seal is still on the thing. The seal is still on here. I feel it with my hand, it's still there, so don't worry. It's a very tiny seal, but still you want that. All right, so all this is not that bad to me. Okay, so let's go to the other side. So the other side, what you're trying to fight with is actually this. So this bottle, you can just pop it out right now like this. Once you move it, you can flip it. Okay, I just want to show you guys this. That's the bracket you're fighting for. Okay, all these T30, and then, so let me put this back for now. Maybe if I do a third one, let me know. I might do a full DIY video. And then all these bracket. So I don't know if you can see, one nut right there, two bolts. Okay, so after that, these coolant valve or line, they will move out of the way. And the most important thing right there, you see that? This one, this bolt you have to disconnect. This one right there. That's a T30, which is located with this line, this hard plastic line. Make sure you disconnect that one, and then you can slide out the bracket.